this washer had this weird sound, like, and it would not wash. Okay, so I replaced the what is that part called? It's a round little. I replaced it. The washing machine worked fine for probably, I'll say 3 or 4 minutes, and then the noise came right back in. I put it down, went into more research, couldn't find anything conclusive. Everybody was telling me it could be this, it could be that, it could be this. Then I found one video that was explaining almost similar issue, but without the noise. But theirs wouldn't cycle, wouldn't agitate. And I went through some research on what the agitation process for this washing machine is. What causes it to agitate? How does the agitation work? Because the belt only spins in one direction from what I could see. So what's causing it to go back and forth? Because that's what it was not doing, making that weird noise. Then I found it. I'm pause the video and go get that part for you. Okay, this is the part I replaced. This is called an actuator. Okay, this is called an actuator. This part here, it engaged that clutch that I was telling you about, that round gear. It engaged it and disengaged it. Engage it, disengage it. That causes it to agitate in each direction. While this thing spins around, lifting the prong up and down, which is causing the engage, disengage, which make the washing machine wash. Now, after replacing this, as you can see, the washing machine is working fine. It's agitating. It's not making any noise. It's washing as it should. And this was a culprit. This. I bought this for $19 on Amazon. As you can hear, washing machine is washing. See that? Let me see. I know I could engage the washing machine. Oh, no, not this one. Okay. But as you can hear, washing machine is working. This is the part you need to replace if your washing machine is making that noise. And the gear. The gear, like I said, I will add it to the video. Replace both of them. It'll save you some time and headache. Some of you may just need one of them, but I went ahead and replaced both because I replaced the first one, heard one video, and that didn't fix my problem. And I had to replace this, so I could have probably just replaced this and got away with it. But I replaced both. Now my washing machine is working fine.